Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Legends. The 2025 Ford camper van is making waves in the camper and van life community. Blending cutting-edge technology with practical design for both adventurers and everyday users, Ford has once again taken a bold step in redefining the modern camper experience, focusing on versatility, sustainability, and comfort. With a growing trend toward mobile living and flexible travel, the 2025 model seems purpose-built for a new era of nomadic lifestyles. At first glance, the design of the 2025 Ford camper van stands out with its sleek, modern lines and a more aerodynamic profile than previous models. It carries a subtle ruggedness that speaks to its off-road capability while maintaining the urban sophistication expected from a Ford vehicle. LED lighting, solar panels integrated into the roof, and optional all-terrain tires all add to its appeal for adventurers. The exterior color options have expanded, including matte finishes and earthy tones that blend naturally into outdoor settings. Inside, the 2025 Ford camper van is all about maximizing space without compromising on luxury. The layout has been reimagined to offer modular components that adapt to your needs. The interior boasts a smart layout with a fold-away bed, a compact kitchenette, and ample storage solutions built into every corner. The materials used are eco-conscious yet durably recycled fabrics, bamboo surfaces, and lightweight aluminum cabinetry. Ambient lighting, skylights, and large windows make the space feel airy and open, even when fully loaded with gear. Technology is at the heart of this camper van's appeal. It comes equipped with Ford's latest infotainment system, compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and includes a large touchscreen that controls not only navigation and media but also interior climate and energy usage. The van is also fully Wi-Fi enabled, with a rooftop antenna that ensures signal in remote areas are perfect for digital nomads. One of the standout features is the smart energy system. Thanks to high-efficiency solar panels and a lithium-ion battery pack, the van can power lights, appliances, and gadgets for days without needing to plug in. There's also an advanced climate control system that adjusts heating and cooling efficiently based on occupancy and weather. The 2025 Ford camper van offers multiple powertrain options, including a robust hybrid engine and, for the first time, a fully electric version with impressive range. The electric model promises over 250 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for eco-conscious travelers who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing range or power. Ford has also improved the van's suspension system and added advanced traction control for smoother rides on various terrains, from highways to mountain trails. Another feature that sets this camper van apart is its focus on safety. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, 360-degree cameras, and automated emergency braking. The van also includes a driver fatigue alert system and blind spot monitoring, which are essential for long road trips. Ford's Go-Pilot 360 technology has been enhanced, giving drivers even more confidence on the road. Customization is a huge selling point for the 2025 model. Buyers can choose from various interior configurations, including options designed for solo travelers, couples, or small families. Add-ons like rooftop tent, bike racks, or an outdoor shower system let users tailor the van to fit their lifestyle perfectly. Whether you're using it as a weekend getaway vehicle or a full-time mobile home, the 2025 Ford camper van delivers a balanced mix of utility and style. In all, the 2025 Ford camper van is more than just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle solution. It's perfect for the weekend warrior, the seasoned traveler, or the work-from-anywhere entrepreneur. Ford has managed to blend sustainability, technology, and comfort into a single, stylish package that's ready to take on the world, 1 mile at a time.